Okay, hap around the house. Got a call at one of the houses that we lease out. And check that baby out. I got a call from one of the tenants, and they said they smelled gas. Now they're moving out, so I don't know if they moved the stove. As you can see, it sure doesn't look like they did to clean anyways. But you can see, look at that. Look at all that. Isn't that nuts? Look at that leak. So yeah, basically what I did is I just grabbed a container here and I made way too much bubble water here. It's just water with a decent amount of dish soap. But watch. See that? See them bubbles? Well, let me see if I can get you in the screen. See that? See all them bubbles? So what we're going to do is we're going to cinch that down a little bit. Looks like it's some sort of compression. So let me grab a crescent wrench. Right over here, a little fancy tool bag. Here it is. Let's cinch this baby down and see if we can solve this problem. Let's get a little bit better light on the subject there too. All right. Oh man, that's loose. Okay, that's snug. Now what I'm going to do is take a towel and wipe it off, and then I'm going to retest. Okay, let's retest. Look at that. It's all good now. It's not leaking. I'm going to give it just a little bit more. Didn't really go super tight. There, that's good. If you tighten it too much, you're going to end up, all this tin right here is really thin, so you'll end up bending that. So don't go crazy on it. But yeah, that's a leak. I'm also going to check these other ones while I'm here. Because that right there, that's a factory joint. We don't do anything with that. That's put together at the factory. You know, I remember when Congress, I don't know if it was Congress, somebody was talking about outlawing gas stoves, and this is why. Because these things come loose. The way they did it was pretty ham-fisted because they just wanted to make rules, right? And without really telling the public why. Very poor communication. All right, that's good. I'm going to check this one behind me. You can watch this one too. Here's another joint. Yeah, that's not leaking either. So yeah, so we're all good. That was a leak. I'm glad that they told me because that was a pretty doggone good leak, and you know what can happen with gas. Boy, oh boy. So yeah, so that's solved. That's all good. This is Hap Around the House. Like the video, consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that like button. Thanks for watching. See you next time.